adding another person. So maybe right now this is your normal type of person and you want to add another type. So maybe this is someone who's, say, a teenager, and we want to add, let's say, an elderly person. So the first thing I want to do is, personally, I'm going to have mine where they look the same. So I'm just going to right click or double click on it. So it's going to have the same code, the same looks and everything. So to denote that these are the elderly, I'm going to put an E on all of my people. Okay, so these all have an E and they all have the same code as right now. So when I press green. Okay, so the first problem I'm seeing is that my susceptible is at 248, in which there are only 100 people in the simulation. So the first thing I'm going to do is, okay, so as you can see, I have recovered, infected, and susceptible all set at 0 at the beginning. When I press green, yeah. So I've added the code at this point to become cured for the virus. Move it up a bit. Okay, so right now they all have the same values for initial rate, transmission rate, and recovery rate. So that's going to be the main things that are different between your two types of people. So I'm in the elderly right now, I'm in that code. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set initial rate to 15. Then I'm going to set the transmission rate. Maybe elderly people are a bit more cautious. I'm going to set it to 10. But recovery rate, I'm going to put at 50. So you can see how that changed.